So what's going on today? Is that Daddy vacuuming? You don't look like you like it very much. You don't want to let on, but bothering you. So you're going to stay close to me, aren't you? He's not a scaredy cat. He won't go under the bed. But he will come in the room. He doesn't want to be by himself. You going to jump down? Here he goes. What are you going to do now? Why don't you come see me? Pudsey! No, he's going to go out there. Even though it scares him, he's going to go out here. He's got to... Oh, there he goes. It's off. It's off. So what's he going to do? He's got to explore. I'm going to see what's Daddy doing.
What are you doing?
Yeah, he's not real happy with it there. He's backing up. That's just a little vacuum. Oh, he's very curious, so he doesn't like it, but he's curious. Where did you go? Where did you go? Bentley, oh, he's behind the chair.
He's hiding.
He never hides.
It won't take long.
This kitty never hides. Well, he's hiding now. Aww. Aww. Poor Bentley. You don't like that, do you? He's curious, but he doesn't like it. Doesn't like the sound. He's skulking around. What you gonna do, eh? Up in the chair? You should go up high. That's where you feel safe. Yeah, go on up. Poor Bench. But don't go under there. Don't go under there. Look at his tail. Oh, there he went.